Here we have an Oculus Go, and I'm going to show you how to remove and put back the strap. So it's pretty easy. You can start with the sides. So you just simply remove like this. Okay, and it goes all the way from here. You just remove it like this. Okay, and it's the strap is removed at this point. Here is the device, and here is the strap, which has these two parts. So in case that you remove them, maybe to clean them, and you want to install them back, here is how you can do it. So first of all, we install the ones from the side. This part with this square goes to the top. It's more used because it's getting in contact with this part, and that's why this one is more used compared to the one from the bottom. So we install it with this side up like this. Okay, and it goes here as well. And now the other side, the same thing. Okay, and it looks like this. With this square on the upside. So to install the last strap, this one also has a sticker with a warning. So basically it goes like this, the easiest way. It doesn't matter which part goes where, so you just insert it like this with the sticker on the upper side, like this. This is a bit of a struggle, but not that much. It goes like this, and you just clap it, and for the last part it goes like this. It goes just a little bit, and it will stick here, and this is pretty much it. This is how it should go, and then you can adjust it, loosen it from here, from the side, and also from the top. If you want it more tight, just stick it more to the middle, and this is how it goes. As I said, it's more used at the top because it's getting in contact here, and at some point this will get some wear. So now the Oculus Go is just as new. Alright, so this is how you can remove and install the strap for an Oculus Go. If you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.